I think that we need to get together tomorrow and look at all kinds of things again, like hopefully a final jury charge, a jury verdict, what evidence is going to go out, the redacted indictment, all of those things. Which means that closings, which I think are going to take more than a day, don't y'all? I mean, if I mean, y'all said, I don't know, it seemed like the time periods y'all gave me. Once you think about the fact that people have to take bathroom breaks, that people have to eat lunch.
I rarely take a bathroom break, Your Honor.
That's 8.5 hours by y'all's estimates without any break. So that is more than a day's worth of closings. So I think that means we start closings on Friday, but we probably don't finish closings until Monday. And then I charge the jury, which I hope, I have no idea how long the charge is going to take, but I would think that the rest of the closing and the charge can be completed Monday. They get the case Tuesday. Yeah. Well, the end of the day Monday, but I mean, they're not going to do anything in that little amount of time unless I talk really fast while I'm charging. They have a short day on Wednesday. They have a short day on Tuesday also. Oh, wait. This is...
Maybe it won't take them very long.
God, they do. These jurors, and I mean, they are trying to live their lives. I can't remember why we have a late start next Tuesday also.
Would you
Saturday?
John, would you consider, I am very afraid of closing up.
Would I consider doing all of this after Thanksgiving?
No, that's not what I'm asking. No, that's not what I'm asking.
Because,
that's what the state's asking.
and only because, Your Honor, if we close and they take breaks, and say if we don't get a verdict back on Wednesday, you're going home, talking over the Thanksgiving dinner, and you're doing all of this, and you hope that they don't, but you don't know what is
I'm instructing them not to, and whether they have gotten the case or not, they're not supposed to be doing that.
I agree.
And
I agree. But we would.
I'll get back to you.
We are.
Go ahead.
I think it's tell me not to say anything. I'm not.
Okay.
Matt?
Mr. Sharp.
This is my concern about Friday.
Okay.
State judges are opening, closing on Friday morning.
Mm-hmm.
Myself and Mr. Weinstein close on Friday. Jury goes home for the weekend. Come back Monday, and then all they hear.
It's like the only thing they hear is the states.
I would like my proposal would be. I don't think everyone's going to. I don't know this for a fact. I don't think everyone's going to take as long as we think. I would ask if we could close on Monday. Whatever we don't get done, I don't believe it would be much on Tuesday, and then we could give the jury instructions Tuesday, Wednesday, and then they could come back after the break to deliver. I just am very concerned about going for a weekend. And
Yeah, I mean, I agree. Because the other thing we can do is start the closings and have the state do their open close tomorrow afternoon, and then we finish with the closings on Friday, and then I instruct them on Monday, and they get the case on Monday.
I like the other idea better. We like the other idea better.
Which was
Monday.
Start the closings on Monday, finish them on Tuesday, which is a late start anyway of 11 at the earliest because of a medical appointment. And then I may or may not have a chance to instruct them on Tuesday, but I could instruct them on Wednesday, but then they have all of that, but then they don't actually start deliberating until they come back from Thanksgiving.
But they would have the written jury instructions.
That's true. They would have them in writing, Your Honor. It's not like they would forget them over the Thanksgiving break.
Or we could,
Yeah, I mean, that's,
or Your Honor could instruct them when we get back.
No one listens. They're not actually listening. I think they like it. I think people are more visual anyway. They're less likely to listen for 2 hours. The charge, that's, oh, what I'm saying.
I don't understand what you're saying, because
When the court charges the jury, they're blank-faced. So that's why it's always so important to send it back like you suggested you do, because when anyone talks at you for more than 15 minutes, most people stop listening. So, not saying that they do. I know I do.
It would seem to be in the state's interest to not have a 5-hour closing, Your Honor.
Easy.
Okay. Yeah, I like your idea for tomorrow, Your Honor, but I don't think the state, I guess the state would not agree to that.
they don't have to agree to it. I've
Well, I
told
do-
y'all for the last 2 weeks, be ready on Thursday to give closings. So if that's what I decide, that's what happens when it comes down to it.
I'm just not looking to throw them under the bus, but I do like the idea for them starting tomorrow, and then we would wrap it all up, or wrap up the closings Friday.
And you like that idea.
I do like that idea.
Well, only reason he likes that idea is because the jury charge won't be complete until tomorrow, and so he'll have all night to process and synthesize all the information that we'll continue to go over tomorrow.
Yeah.
Mr. Abate is not lying. It's my duty of candor. I have to tell you that
I appreciate that, Mr. Weinstein, that you take your duty of candor seriously.
very seriously. Your
All
Honor.
right, so closings Monday, maybe we finish Monday. If not, then we come in late on Tuesday and finish closings, and then maybe we'll just have to see. I charge them either Tuesday and they get the case, in which case I probably just won't.
Well, because
I mean, are they going to deliberate for one day and then go to Thanksgiving?
I would say we could probably close and charge on Monday after Thanksgiving, and then they'll have.
Wait.
We can certainly not close and charge in
I'm
one
sorry,
day.
not close. I meant
You
to say
mean
charge.
Tuesday?
Charge.
No,
On
but
Tuesday?
On Tuesday.
I think they should. If we charge them on Tuesday, I think they could begin deliberations immediately thereafter. Correct? I don't think
Depending
they-
on what time it is.
We have court Wednesday, correct?
I mean, we're scheduled to have court on Wednesday.
what are the hours?
No, for the whole day.
Well, then that gives them a whole day to deliberate.
I had said, I had told Mr. Matthews we could quit at 2, but Mr. Matthews is no longer in this case. Have we told the jury that? I mean, the jury would,
I don't recall you telling the jury either way about the
Wednesday.
Thanksgiving. We had that conversation at the bench.
Yeah, I don't think I ever did, honestly. So I think they think they're here all day Wednesday. And so they could be here all day Wednesday.
What if when you send your message about coming Monday, let them know that we're gonna have extended hours on Monday. We start at 8:30 and we'll go till 7, so all the closings get done Monday.
And just get all of the arguments. We could do that.
First thing Tuesday, do the charge.
Well, like at 11 a.m. or whenever they're all here, do the charge, get it.
You could extend Tuesday to 7 o'clock, or since they're not getting it till 11. Or whatever time.
That's the state's suggestion, to keep them here till 7, just to make that clear.
I'm not staying here until 7 on 2 days, but. And then are you saying have them come deliberate on Wednesday and then take a long weekend and then,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay. All right. That's what we'll do.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. So I still think we all need to get together tomorrow. How about 10?
Oh,
Unanimous agreement on
All right.
and there was much rejoicing.
All right. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Yes, I think so. We're going to have to get back together on jury charges and yeah.
Hey, Your Honor, they woke up Mr. Kendrick at 2 a.m. this morning. I know you don't have control over
In
the
order
sheriff's.
to get him here?
They moved him at 2 a.m. They woke him up at 2, moved him to Rice Street for whatever reason, then brought him here because I don't know all the thinking behind it, but come on. Can they please not do that? Especially we have a 10 o'clock start tomorrow. Certainly they don't need to wake him up at 2 a.m. again tonight.
I agree. I'm not the elected sheriff.
I understand that. I
Doubt if the
understand.
elected sheriff knows that either, frankly. But to my great and devoted deputies, can you all please get word to whomever is in charge of getting the defendants here to, if at all possible, not wake anybody at 2 a.m. to start transporting them for a 10 a.m. court hearing? Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Thank you, Your Honor.